So this is officially part 4. I needed to cut the other video, the part 3, because they were lazy and didn't hear me because they were in a video. They said it was important. I don't know why, but we are back. So yeah, they're gonna be doing what? Dancing or what?
Drawing.
No, not drawing.
Okay,
Dancing or workout. So yeah. What do you want to do? No, esa no es mío.
Huh?
What do you want to do? Dance. Let's dance.
So lazy. Let's play with balls.
Good?
Let's play with balls.
Okay. ¿Podemos desconectar el Chromecast? ¿Podemos desconectar el Chromecast para conectar este? Sure.
Get over. You know what? Ponte en la otra mano.
So there they are, guys. It's really, really weird.
Póntela tú.
But they're right there. Like officially right there.
Oh, sorry. I'm gonna take off my handcuff just for jiggling. I'm a third jiggler, guys. So no worries. Let's try 3 balls.
Besito. Mwah. Give a kiss.
I could do it with 2 balls. I could do it handcuffed to myself challenge.
Yeah.
Try it. Whenever we're finished juggling, we'll put the handcuffs back on. Okay?
Handcuffed to 24-hour challenge. Well, they didn't want to do nothing, so bye.